can a machine think and learn like a human? This intriguing question has sparked a technological revolution, leading us to the era of artificial intelligence, or AI. Take the healthcare industry, for instance. AI has made leaps and bounds in this sector, transforming the way we approach patient care. Consider the case of DeepMind's AI system that has been trained to detect over 50 eye diseases as accurately as
This
expert
groundbreaking
doctors.
technology has the potential to revolutionize early detection and treatment of eye conditions,
ultimately improving
not just
patient
healthcare.
outcomes.
AI has also made
Not
its
just
mark in the
healthcare,
world
AI
of
has
finance.
also made its mark in the world
In the
of finance.
fast-paced stock market,
In the fast-paced
AI-powered
stock market,
algorithms are now
AI-powered
predicting
algorithms
market
are
trends
now
and
predicting
making
market
investment
trends and making investment
decisions.
decisions.
BlackRock's
A case in point is BlackRock's
It uses
Aladdin
AI to
platform.
analyze
It
billions of
uses
data
AI
points
to
daily,
analyze
providing
billions of data
investors
points
with
daily,
invaluable
providing
insights and
investors
risk
with
assessments.
invaluable insights
Even
and
in the
risk
realm of
assessments.
entertainment,
Even in the
AI
realm
has
of
been a game
entertainment,
changer.
AI has
Take
been
the
a game
example of
changer.
Spotify's
Take the
Discover
example of
Weekly playlist,
Spotify's Discover
a feature
Weekly
that uses
playlist,
AI to
a feature
curate
that uses
personalized
AI to
music
curate
suggestions.
personalized
It
music
analyzes
suggestions.
listening habits,
It
favorite
analyzes
genres,
listening
and even
habits,
song
favorite
elements to
genres,
create a
and even
unique
song
playlist
elements
for
to
each
create
user
a
every
unique
week.
playlist for
But what
each
about
user
the
every week.
creative arts?
But what about
Surely
the
AI
creative
can't
arts?
replace a human
Surely
artist.
AI can't
Well, think
replace
again.
a human
Open
artist.
AI's
Well, think
MuseNet,
again.
a deep
Open
learning
AI's
model,
MuseNet,
can
a deep
compose
learning
music
model,
in a variety
can
of
compose
styles and
music in a
genres.
variety of
From
styles and
classical to
genres.
pop, it can
From
generate a
classical to
4-minute
pop,
song
it can
in just a
generate a
few
4-minute
seconds.
song in just a few
Despite
seconds.
these impressive advancements,
Despite these
it's
impressive
essential to
advancements,
remember that
it's
AI
essential to
is a
remember
tool,
that AI
not a
is a
replacement
tool,
for human
not a
intelligence
replacement
and
for human
creativity.
intelligence
It's also
and
crucial
creativity.
to consider the
It's also
ethical
crucial to
implications
consider
of
the
AI,
ethical
such as
implications
privacy
of AI,
concerns and potential
such as
job
privacy
displacement.
concerns and potential
In
job
summary, the
displacement.
impact of AI
In
is
summary, the
far-reaching
impact
and
of AI is
transformative.
far-reaching
It
and
has the potential
transformative.
to
It has
revolutionize
the potential
healthcare,
to
finance,
revolutionize
entertainment,
healthcare,
and even the
finance,
creative
entertainment,
arts.
However, it's crucial to wield this powerful tool